Thus, having multiple SIPs beneficial. How many multiple SIPs should an investor have? We have our financial expert Manish with us. Manish, could you please give us some guidance on how a successful portfolio should look like?
You don't have to diversify into too many mutual funds when you're doing an SIP. The answer, which I have just mentioned, is that you don't have to be too much diversified in n number of mutual funds, is because when you look at mutual fund, it's already a diversified vehicle. What I mean by that is that if you look at any particular mutual fund in which you have invested, you will see the number of stocks almost close to 40-50s, roughly around that 40-50. That means already it is well diversified. Above that, if you take almost 10-15 mutual funds, you're kind of making a zoo out of your portfolio. That's not required. Maybe when you're doing a long-term SIP, a 4 or a 5 SIP, based on your quantum of money which you're putting and the themes which you want to play, roughly around 4-5 is good enough.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.